Welcome, millionaires and billionaires. As always, I aim to bring you truth, knowledge, and wisdom to assist you in your journey through crypto. So welcome the viewers. If you are new to the channel, I suggest you subscribe and also join the main Bulls Run Telegram group to stay up to date with all market related analysis and all crypto related matters. So this video, guys, is for SHIB, specifically for SHIB. So if you guys been following the channel, also with the videos that's titled market updates, we always look at SHIB and make some price analysis. In the previous videos, we made some price analysis that apparently has been playing out perfectly to the T. So we tend to look things on a larger time frame. That way we can actually get a better picture and understanding of the charts. So we are looking at SHIB on the weekly time frame, and I've mentioned that SHIB is getting ready to break out on the weekly time frame, and this is where we're about to see some massive green candles. And as you can see on the weekly time frame, if we can zoom in here, the first weekly candle is playing perfectly as we outline here. And if you've been following, as I've mentioned before in the previous video, I've made some technical analysis on SHIB. I told you guys to buy SHIB when it was at the very bottom here, when it was breaking out, about right here. About here at support. So most of you guys should already be in profit. And the mistake people has continued to make and will continue to make is they will sell too early, or they will not know when to sell, or they will jump in when at the big green candles, and then they will ride the red candles down. So this is why Bulls Run Token Group, we created the private crypto signal group where we tell you guys when to sell, when to take profits, and we give you buy and sell signals. So to get into that group, it is 1 ETH entry fee. If you are interested, join them in Bull Run Telegram group, and you can join the private crypto signal group. So our group is to create whales in the bull run, not just in the bull run, but beginning at the very bottom of the bull run where we are right now. And usually SHIB is one of the coin that usually pumps first, that starts the hype. And we are right now beginning to see that happening. And SHIB is going to be pumping first before Bitcoin. For some reason, that's just how it is. So to the title of the video, I know a lot of people will say, hey, you're making some ridiculous assumptions, you're making some ridiculous price predictions. But you have to understand, most people don't have a vision. So the reason why the title the title doesn't say SHIB to $1. The title say SHIB is still going to be $1. The reason why the title is like this is because I've made previous price predictions for SHIB that SHIB will get to $1. So we will have to visit memory lane to see when we've made these videos. Let's see here if we can find it. But a lot of people cannot see beyond the present moment, so this is why they cannot see the bigger picture here. And this is the best time, guys, to accumulate Luna Classic as well. The pump is coming. Let's see if we can find a $1. And a lot of people is going to be getting it out too early, because they don't believe SHIB is going to get to $1. Yeah, here's the video that was made a year ago. If you guys want to watch the video, it's just to show you guys sometimes when I make these predictions, sometimes I am way ahead of my time. So some people become impatient and they say, hey, you're making some ridiculous price predictions. But like I mentioned before, some people don't have a vision. They can't see what's coming. So they look at the present moment and then they make their analysis in the present moment in disregards to the entire picture. So I still stand by the $1 prediction. The whole thing is the time frame. The market's been heavily manipulated, so this is why we've seen crypto moves the way it has. So for anyone that wants to know when to buy and when to sell, do join the Bull Run Crypto Signal, private crypto signal group. We are a whale group where we give buy and sell signals. So the next price prediction for SHIB before the big correction, like I said, you will have to join the private crypto signal group to know when to get out before the big dump, because usually we're gonna have another scenario like this again, where we have this huge pump, then price will come back to at least 50%, if not more. So imagine if you've got, because I made the mistake of buying SHIB. This is where I started to accumulate a lot of SHIB. And then I rode the pump. I rode this nice pump where my account got to $500,000. And at that point, I was not that savvy in crypto. So I didn't understand the charts. So I watched my account drop all the way from there. And from the top, at that point, this is where I was very ecstatic, and I was tell all my family members we're gonna be millionaires. I was happy, but then I watched the account come all the way back down here. This is when I started to take profits. But imagine if I would have got out at the top here and then waited at the bottom here to accumulate a lot more coins. So this is why I don't want to make the same mistakes again. So I make sure I learn the lessons and learn charts, everything I could about charts. This is where my journey began. So right now I can look at a naked charts and tell you exactly what the chart is going to do, what the coin is going to do. So this is why I created the private crypto signal group, to give people the knowledge, the understanding of crypto, not just in crypto, but in any particular coins. So this is why there is great value in the private crypto signal group, and 1 ETH is nothing to get into the private crypto signal group, because in one, there's coin that's in there that's going to do 10,000 X pumps. So even investing in $1 in one of those coins, you're gonna make millions, guys. So don't sleep on it. And we also are about to launch the Bulls Run token as well, where right now we're running a pre-sale. If you like to get in, also join the Bull Run Telegram group. And we also doing a promotion where we are giving out MEV bots, automated trading bots, for people that invest a minimum of $500 into the project. So as I mentioned before, guys, these next few weeks, we're about to see some massive move in crypto, not just in crypto, but in SHIB as well. So this is why the previous video titled we're about to print millionaires in 3 to 6 months. So we can already see this happening. So congratulations to those that invested in SHIB when I made the buy signal. And we haven't seen anything yet, guys. The pump hasn't even begun. So the pump has just been started, And once it really breaks out above the moving average on the weekly time frame, then SHIB is going to be moving so quickly, guys, that most people won't even know when to buy, when to sell. So we are expecting this price prediction to play out perfectly to the T here. We're about to see some massive green candles, not just with SHIB too, but in all crypto, guys. Crypto is about to break out on a weekly time frame as well, especially if we look at Bitcoin. Let's take a look at Bitcoin here, because Bitcoin has been sleeping, it's been consolidating. We're about to see it break into the 40K. Most people think SHIB is just moving on its own. No, SHIB is moving with the market, guys. No coin is going to move against the market, and I've mentioned that multiple times. The reason why SHIB is the first to move, because it's being talked about most in relationships to Bitcoin. Okay, let's see here. Let's just use a different chart. Okay, this is BTC. We're just waiting for BTC to break out on the weekly time frame. Like I mentioned before, don't buy Bitcoin, guys. Don't buy Ethereum. They're too expensive. Just buy coin that's low market cap, that has a lot of zeros. This is where you're going to make your millions, and this is what we look for, and we post those coins in the private crypto signal group. So if you're passing through to the channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the main Bull Run Telegram group, and give yourself the opportunity to become a whale in crypto. So until the next time, guys, and I'll be giving you guys the signals when to sell, take profits on SHIB as well in the private crypto signal group, and you continue to accumulate coins, and you can give yourself the chance to become a whale in SHIB as well. So until the next time, guys, I'll see you guys in the Telegram. Peace.